The metaverse is here. It's a digital world full of possibilities. Now, imagine a place where you can work, play, and connect with people from all over the globe, all from the comfort of your own home. But it's not just about entertainment. The metaverse is rapidly evolving into a bustling economy, offering a myriad of ways to earn real money. This new digital frontier might seem daunting at first, but fear not, this guide will walk you through some of the most exciting opportunities the metaverse presents. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, gamer, or simply curious about this new frontier, there's a place for you in the metaverse. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about understanding the landscape and taking practical steps towards building a future in this exciting digital realm. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the many ways you can unlock wealth in the metaverse. This is your chance to be a part of something big, something revolutionary. Welcome to the future of earning. Just like in the real world, owning property in the metaverse can be incredibly lucrative. Imagine owning a piece of a digital city where the possibilities are endless and the potential for profit is immense. Digital real estate is booming, with platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox emerging as prime locations for investment. These platforms offer a variety of plots, each with its own unique features and potential for development. Owning virtual land opens up a world of possibilities. You can create interactive experiences, build communities, or even develop entire virtual cities. Want to build a dream home? The metaverse allows you to design and construct your ideal living space without the constraints of the physical world. Create a virtual storefront for your business to host exclusive events. The opportunities for entrepreneurs are vast, with the ability to reach a global audience from the comfort of your digital property. You can do it all in the metaverse. From social gatherings to business meetings, the virtual world is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. As more users flock to these virtual worlds, the value of land increases, just like in the physical world. This growing demand makes virtual real estate a hot commodity. This presents a unique opportunity for savvy investors to buy low and sell high. Early adopters are already seeing significant returns on their investments, but it's not just about appreciation. The potential for generating income through various means is substantial. Landowners can also generate passive income by renting out their virtual spaces. Imagine earning rent from a property that exists entirely online. Businesses are lining up to establish a presence in the metaverse, and they need a place to call home. This demand creates a steady stream of potential tenants. You could be their landlord, collecting rent and watching your digital empire grow. Managing virtual properties can be a rewarding and profitable venture. So if you've ever dreamt of owning prime real estate, the metaverse might just be the place to make it happen. Luxury digital properties are becoming highly sought after. Start exploring platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox. Research available properties and consider joining the ranks of virtual landowners. The digital world is waiting for you to make your mark. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have taken the art and collectibles world by storm, revolutionizing the way we think about ownership and value in the digital age. And the metaverse is their perfect playground, offering endless possibilities for creators and collectors alike. NFTs are unique digital assets, kind of like digital fingerprints, ensuring that each piece is one of a kind and cannot be replicated. They can represent anything from digital art and music to virtual fashion and in-game items, making the scope of NFTs incredibly diverse. If you're a creative soul, NFTs offer an incredible opportunity to monetize your talent, turning your passion into profit. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible make it easier than ever to create, showcase, and sell your digital creations as NFTs, providing a global marketplace at your fingertips. The demand for unique and collectible digital assets is soaring, and you can be at the forefront of this exciting movement, capturing the attention of collectors worldwide. And it's not just about creating. The world of NFTs also offers lucrative opportunities for trading. Savvy collectors can also profit from trading NFTs, buying and selling at the right moments to maximize their returns. Just like with physical art, the value of an NFT can fluctuate depending on its rarity, the artist's reputation, and market demand, making it a dynamic and exciting market. Buying low and selling high can yield impressive returns, turning a keen eye for art into a profitable venture. So unleash your inner artist. Create something extraordinary and share it with the world as an NFT. The digital realm is your canvas. You might be surprised by the value your creations can command in the metaverse, where the only limit is your imagination. Remember the days when playing video games was just a hobby? When the only reward was the satisfaction of beating a high score or completing a challenging level? Well, those days are over. Gaming has evolved far beyond a mere pastime. The metaverse has ushered in a new era of gaming where players can earn real money while having fun. This isn't just a futuristic dream, it's happening right now. It's called Play to Earn, or P2E, and it's revolutionizing the gaming industry. Players are no longer just consumers, they are active participants in a digital economy. P2E games like Axie Infinity and The Sandbox allow players to earn cryptocurrency or valuable in-game assets through skilled gameplay and strategic decision-making. These games are not only entertaining but also financially rewarding. These assets can then be traded or sold for real-world currency, creating a legitimate income stream for dedicated players. The virtual and real worlds are blending in unprecedented ways. Imagine earning a living by doing what you love, playing games. This is no longer a fantasy but a tangible reality for many. That's the promise of P2E gaming. It's a new frontier where passion meets profit. It's not just about escapism anymore. It's about building communities and competing for rewards and creating real value through your gaming prowess. The social aspect of gaming has never been more significant. So if you're a passionate gamer looking for a way to turn your hobby into a side hustle or even a full-time gig, explore the world of P2E gaming. The opportunities are vast and varied. There are countless games out there waiting to be explored, each offering unique gameplay and earning potential. Dive in and discover the future of gaming today. Freelancing in the metaverse opens up a world of opportunities. You can offer your skills and services to a global audience without the constraints of geography. Imagine being able to work from anywhere, at any time, and connect with clients from all over the world. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, or a software developer, the metaverse provides a platform for you to showcase your talents and find work that suits your expertise. Plus, the decentralized nature of the metaverse means you have more control over your work and your earnings. It's a new frontier for freelancers, and the possibilities are endless. Creating virtual products is another exciting way to make money in the metaverse, from digital art and fashion to virtual real estate and experiences. The demand for unique, high-quality virtual products is growing rapidly as a creator. You can leverage your creativity and skills to design products that resonate with the metaverse community, and thanks to blockchain technology, you can ensure that your creations are secure and verifiable, giving buyers confidence in their purchases. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or an entrepreneur, the metaverse offers a thriving marketplace for your virtual products. So, dive in and start creating. So you're ready to launch your virtual venture? Well, it's an exciting journey ahead. First, identify your niche. What unique value can you bring to the metaverse? Next, build your virtual presence. This could be anything from a shop, a game, or even a virtual event. And of course, don't forget to market your venture. Utilize social media, virtual billboards, and collaborations to get the word out. Remember, the metaverse is a dynamic space, so stay adaptable and keep innovating. Now, let's talk about backing the future of the metaverse. Investing in virtual real estate, NFTs, or metaverse-based startups can be a lucrative opportunity. Do your research and identify projects with strong potential. Diversify your investments to minimize risk, and most importantly, stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the metaverse. By backing the right projects, you're not only securing your financial future, but also contributing to the growth of this fascinating digital universe. User-generated content. is a cornerstone of the metaverse. It empowers individuals to create, share, and monetize their unique creations, whether it's designing virtual clothing, developing mini-games, or creating immersive experiences. The possibilities are endless. When you engage with your community, gather feedback, and continually refine your content, the more engaging and valuable your creations, the more you can earn. And in turn, you're enriching the metaverse with diverse and innovative content. Finally, carving your path in the metaverse is all about finding your unique place. Identify your strengths and passions zone and align them with opportunities in the metaverse. Build your network, collaborate with others, and stay open to new possibilities. The metaverse is still evolving, and there's room for everyone to make their mark. So take the plunge, experiment, and don't be afraid to pivot when necessary. Your journey in the metaverse is what you make of it. Embrace the adventure and create your own success story.